Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can very easily share your cover file, a book cover file with us, and this will be a two-part format. So if you have the cover file as JPEG format or PNG format, if you have the back cover and the front cover separately, so how you can share it with us so we can process your book very easily. It's a very simple process, and what you need is a Canva account. You need a free Canva account. You can use your Gmail account, or you can just create a Canva account, which is really a very handy tool for designing any kind of product or service. You can design your visiting card, you can design your book cover, inside pages and everything. And before beginning, if you are new to our channel, I welcome you to KitabLane. At KitabLane, what we do is we help you print, publish and sell your book. So you will get all the details on our website, and if you want to talk to us and if you have any question or queries, please feel free to WhatsApp us or call us on the number given on the screen. And if you want to directly talk to us via WhatsApp, you can click on this green button and it will connect you with our team, and you can ask any questions or queries that you have. And if you are looking to get your book printed, published, or if you want to get help, if you need help with selling your book, we can definitely help you with that. And also, if you go to our useful link, you will find all the relevant videos that we have created, video guides that we have created for book writing, book formatting and everything. So let's get started. So for example, right now, if we have this PDF with us, right? So for example, if you have created a book and if you want to get it printed, if you have a PDF file with you, and if you have this kind of a cover that you have created, maybe you have created this on Photoshop or any other designing software. So this is the front cover, and if I go back to the last page, that is the this is the the last cover, the final cover, the back cover, if I might say. So in this situation, we require you have to send us the front cover and the back cover separately. So how do you do that? If you already have this somewhere, you just have to upload it on Canva and share it with us. And if you do not have, and if it is embedded in your PDF file, I am going to show you how you can separate the front cover and the back cover, download it and upload it on Canva and share it with us. First of all, I will just show you how you can easily log on to Canva, and then you can share the design with us. So first, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to open up Canva here, and then after what if you have created a new account, what you are going to do is you are going to click on create, and then you are going to search A4. You are going to search A4 and then document A4 portrait, or this size or this size. So document A4 portrait, we prefer this, so you just click on this. After you click on this, a separate window will open up, and what you need to do here is you have to upload your files here. That's it. So I have the design with me right here. So this is the front cover and this is the back cover. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to drag and drop this, so the front cover will open up, and again I will drop the back cover here. So I will select the back cover and put it here, and then what I'm going to do here is your name, cover design, or book name or cover design, so we can identify this. And then you have to click on share, and then only you can access. Anyone with the link can edit, copy the link, and then you share it with us on WhatsApp. Very simple and easy, and then we will do the rest. And yeah, that's about it. And if you want, you can definitely change it, you can resize it, but we prefer that you upload a high definition image here, any kind of HD image here, so the quality is good and it will not pixel it when we print it. So if you can provide this book design, it will be really helpful. Now I'm going to show you, for example, if your PDF has the book cover, what do you do? So you go to Google and search PDF to PNG, open up any of the these websites, then you click on it. Then what you're going to do here is you are going to upload the PDF file that you have. So I'm going to upload the PDF file. So now I have uploaded the PDF file here, then it is going to convert, and then I'm going to download this file on my computer. So after you have downloaded this file, then you are going to it is going to get downloaded as zip file. It is going to get downloaded as zip file. Right now what you need to do is extract the file using any of the software on your computer, and then you can upload the front cover and the back cover. That's it. This is a very simple process. Please follow this, and through this you can share your front cover and back cover with us. Thank you.